And I need somebody with safety for him. Or for her. Just one of the shorty ropes, one of the white ones.
This one?
Yeah, one of those. Just a figure eight or a bowline off the rear restraint. Okay? So I need a halter. I need a halter for this person. Somebody grab me a halter. Okay? And what do we want to do with the animal in regard to... She's one step ahead of us. We've done this before.
She's our inexperienced horse person.
Nice, she's doing great.
Me
too. Yeah, team effort. So now, this person's going to actually get out right on the edge of the trench and go for a reach. So now, incident command is going to be incident command. So you'd be standing here, right here. So you've evaluated, you've given somebody a direction what to do. Now you want to get this animal out. Okay? So we have a vest for it. Goes in your helmet. Yeah. Perfect. So now we have to get what underneath the animal so we can do the sideward slide. That is? Right? Okay, so how are we going to do this on this? Mr. Watson's class is demonstrating that. So everybody take a look what we have here. Yep. So, somebody said a strap guide with a pike pole and bend it back up. That'll work perfect because these strap guides are very bendable and you can use it. Or if you use an orthopicus needle, if you had it, it could work either or. So what we're going to do is strap guide. So command, you're going to say I need a strap guide. So you're going to take the two people with the harness. That's okay. Give me a strap guide. Strap guide, one with the carabiner. And then you're going to tell somebody else to, with another harness, to grab a strap. Okay. All right, and then one person's going to have a reach to it. What's that? Remember, occupational health and safety. This whole scenario is done with somebody with a harness. Okay, because this could be 50 feet, this could be 10 feet, right? Remember, anything greater than 3 meters, it's considered occupational health and safety and you have to be restrained. Under the fire rules, we don't have to comply to it because it's part of the job and we have to train and mitigate, make the situation better. So this is not a fire scene, this is a scene that is controllable. Okay? Yeah, we're going to get there. Yep, you're one step ahead of me. Okay? So now we're going to get the strap guide down through, and then we're going to use the reach pole, and then we're going to use the webbing on this. You want a rope on this one? Yeah, we need to tie them off. Very good, command. So we need a safety person.
Instructor, what is this device called?
It's a strap guide.
Strap guide, thank you.
Yes, very good. Okay, so the handler, somebody just brought up an excellent point. The handler has the rope wrapped around her hand. So if that did happen, thank you very much. If that, something happened, she's going with the horse.
Stretch it and try to get it.
Remember one rule, never wrap a rope around the hand. I would think.
Fold it back and forth, horse handler. It's still wrapped once, it's got to be folded back and forth.
Into your hand.
It's still around your hand.
So you can extend the pole further.
Yeah, so you still got a loop there. So fold it back and forth. So open your hand, fold it over the top of your palm. That's it, and then back again. There you go.
That way, if anything happens, your hand doesn't get caught in the pull out of your hand and you don't get dragged in with it.
Yeah.
So
That's a good one.
Since she can't reach down to the head,
Here's the bubbles right there.
eye protection on.
But do the best you can. Here's a longer pole for you, sir.
Right in there somewhere.
You don't have a strap, do you?
You got to catch the guide to pull it up so we can hook the strap on.
And we've got the equine people here too from
Yeah.
different parts.
Yeah, so we've got
Okay, so
the
now
12
it's gonna
different
pose
fire
an issue.
departments, and we've got
So
two
what we're going to
mounted
do is
police
you can
units,
tie
and
off that strap guide,
police officers,
allow it
and
to come
We've
through,
got our
and
mounted
then
units
tie
from
it
the
off and
Toronto
then
Police
pull it
Force
back
and
through.
Hamilton Police
Okay?
Force.
yeah,
So you're
yes,
good. Can
and
you
a
reach?
veterinarian
Get
here as
another
well.
student or two over here just to help with the tools.
Yep.
So everybody is
Behind you.
taking part in this to do hands-on.
No, it's all
So they're all working together. Firefighters, horse owners, the police force, all working together to learn what's best to rescue this animal.
First
Good
time
thinking. I was
training
just
for
going to throw it at you
in
guys.
this
You
regard.
one at a
This is
time,
our
you
second
pull
time
two.
here at
Second
Meaford.
time Meaford.
Yeah,
Awesome.
and they've been an amazing sort of getting started with this and helping to keep it going. The chief here has been very, very supportive and understands the vision that we're trying to achieve here,
Awesome.
and very supportive. It's a great facility for this type of training as well. We can set up different scenarios so people can do hands-on here, and things that we can do here we're not able to do some other locations. So we have the fire department here, all the rescue equipment, and we can set this up for real-life scenarios.
All right, thank you so much.
Start to the beach.
And this, the unit in Guelph University is called
Yeah.
the unit.
Yeah, so it's Equine Guelph, and that's the center for the horse owner at the University of Guelph. And in this program, we go beyond the horse. This is for all large animals to do emergency rescue. And it's all about the partnerships on this. First responders, horse owners, mounted police units, any of the search and rescue groups. This is all valuable information for them to learn, because we want the rescue of the animal to be successful so that there's still life for the animal afterwards. So by doing best practices, we get this animal out as safely and as quickly as possible.
Good to hear. Thank you so much.
Okay, so what you're going to need is, before you move it over there, there's the white rope. You're going to have to tie it on all four corners. Okay? Or just the two. If you only have the two, that's what we'll work with. Just the two. So this is typical.
We have had far worse. But you train in what they
So you see how this is a process?
So rain or
You've
shine,
got
this was going to go
a
no
group
matter
that's
what
in the
weather.
in the hot zone, setting up for the sidewards drag. Then you have another group setting up for your edge protection. Okay? So now you've got all the straps pulled. They're going to go to that side now. Well, you can. This is if it's good, or you throw them, or you would have to use a reach tool. Remember, it's whatever is available. Okay? Because if you drop it,
Or if you scare the horse,
yeah.
that's just added to your trouble.
Okay, so now you make sure that the axes are in the right spot.
People must come.
Well, one of the interesting things for humans, when we hear a fire engine and you hear the siren going, you think, oh my, thank goodness they're here. The horse isn't thinking that. It's
True,
like one
true.
more scary noise in an already frightening situation.
Well said. Thank you.
Yeah.
Truly.
No point if they're not wrong, I'm not going to have to call them.
Oh, that's good. Remember the old saying, you know, if you can't do it right, do it many. So I don't know, it's cut out. Okay, so once the glide is brought over, it's going to go underneath the straps. Then we're going to slide it down as far as we can beside the horse and the barrier. Okay? So I'll watch stuff. Okay, so underneath. So the people that are not near the edge, you could be on the far side of the glide. So now you're going to slide it towards us. Yeah. Okay, so the people with the harnesses, you guys are going to work around on that side there to get this down. Okay? So harness only. Okay, because you guys are working on the edge. Safeties. Okay, slide, slide, slide. If you can get a little further forward so the head's protected. Yep, perfect. As far as you can go. Excellent. Okay, yep. Okay, you're good. I think we're hooked on a bolt. Who's got a reach tool handy? Yeah, please. Okay, training purposes only.
This horse has a hook on its back.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rest aren't so convenient.
Okay, that's the only drawback to using this mannequin. It's got 2 bolts front and rear, and it always hangs up. So, now the handler, you're doing your best you can. Okay, so we're going to have one person call the command, prepare to haul. So we're going to need at least 4 people per haul, per side. Okay, but remember, it has to be done together, unified. So, restraints, sorry, gentlemen, just back yourself up. You're going to be there. You're going to, when this pulls up, you're going to go with it at the same time.
So when they pull, I pull.
Now, when the horse becomes up on the glide and it starts to crest, you pull the same time and you'll do the same thing.
Got it.
So this entire unit is working together.
Got it.
Okay? So everybody's got to be at the same speed. You can't, the rear can't pull faster than the head. So, okay? Handler?
Prepare to haul. On 3.
No, prepare to haul. Haul.
Prepare to haul. Haul.
Okay, pull the glide, pull the glide, pull the glide, pull the glide. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop. The reason why you keep going away from the hole, because in case the animal decides to stand up and bolt and go somewhere, they're going right back in. So you would take it a distance away, handler takes control, and then if you have to package, then we pull out the actual glide system and then put it underneath and set the package. Any questions? Straightforward, pretty easy. Okay. If you're on the side of the road and you don't have a glide system, a tarp will work just as well. Okay. To get the tarp down below underneath, fold the tarp in half, put the rope through the center of the fold, and then push it down on either side with the reach tools. That'll get it down, and then you pull it all together. Okay. What you want to do is limit the friction of the side so you're not ripping into the tissue of the animal.